I have found my brothers.
Not my brothers.
Good. Yep.
Fucking nice!
Oh.
I'm so happy right now. That was, dude, when I heard the last one come off, I told you to shake your head. When that last one comes off, now I know it's happening.
Oh yeah.
It's happening.
When you got your first one up there. Oh, my bad.
It's okay. Just means I'm gonna work.
Good. Wow.
Wait, you have the bullet in there still.
Yeah, still should drop a little bit though. That's weird.
Take that bolt up out of there.
Bitch is bucking in there. See if we can.
Higher it back up that way you could.
Wow.
Alright.
Okay, I know what I need to do. Give me a crescent wrench so I can turn this a little bit and break it free. Because this is rusted on here. Pull it out. How the fuck is the suspension stuck? There you go.
Where's the,
There it is.
Goodbye, number
Wow, that
4.
one's blue.
Yes, my newest one.
Nice.
Well,
It's
my newest
It's your newest one and it's still rusty.
So get one. Where's the, oh, no, right here. Let me PB blast these things real quick.
Yeah, PB blast everything.
PB blast it.
Yep.
You want to do me a huge favor?
Yeah.
Oh, come here. Thank you.
Yep.
What I did with it.
I don't get money for it.
What?
I don't get money for it.
Yeah, what you
Thank you so much, sir.
What?
I said thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh.
What do you need?
Where are bolts at?
Oh, he's PB blasting them.
Oh, meet him. Sit there. All right there.
Dirty hands.
Dirty hand man, why like a Taliban knife?
Alright. Those will draw in now?
Dude, tell me you're already done.
Not, they're on.
You're on.
They're on. God. Gotta tighten these up. I can drop this down. No, not yet.
No, yeah, tighten those up first. Oh, the other one.
Yeah, sorry.
No, you're good.
Good thing you said that because I was so in the zone. I was like looking at the camera. I was like, yeah.
The camera's not even there, Brandon.
Right there.
Wait. Pull it. Did you break it? Oh my god, look at it bounce! That was fucking awesome. It just like bounced up off that. Holy shit. Oh my god, look at how fucking low it is, dude! Oh shit, dude! Look at that front end! Look at that front end! Fucking jump! Holy it's so fucking low! Oh my god. You even got camera too up front. That's fucking awesome. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude.
This Grand Prix is so fucking nice, dude.
Dude. Holy shit. Like, I'm amazed right now. What? Did you feel it bounce when you got up off those? That was fucking insane. We're in the slavery now, homies. Oh my god. Brandon has it dumped so low right now that
He just went straight to the bottom.
it's rubbing on. It's the slam pre, literally.
We all had to do it once.
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude.